Do you have data in Postgres that you want to analyze directly in Julius? You can now connect your Postgres database using our built-in connector. This means no more exporting or importing files. You can work with all of your live data right inside of Julius. Setting it up is quick and simple. Go to Connector Data, find Postgres, and click Connect. Fill in your connection details: mode, director SSH, connection name, enter a name for this connection, user, your Postgres database username, password, the password for your Postgres user account, host, the server address where your PostgreSQL database is hosted, port, the network port your Postgres database uses, database, the specific database name within your Postgres server that contains all of the data you want to analyze. Quick note, if your database is protected by a firewall, make sure Julius's IPs are allowed listed before connecting. Once connected, open a new chat or notebook in Julius, connect Postgres as a data source, select the table or schema you want to use, and start chatting with your data instantly. You'll get summaries, charts, and insights from your live database. No file uploads, no manual steps. Try it with your team today. Connect your Postgres database to Julius and explore your data and let us know what you think, or let us know any feature requests in the comments below.